Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that when I started, I had almost no budget, like basically nothing. My equipment was not fantastic / non-existent, and I basically had to fake better equipment with just household items and trying to make it work to varying degrees of success. Some of my earlier videos are super dark because I didn't have any lights, and I could only film on the weekends because I have a job. So if it's super dark outside, no lights. So I did the best I could, but one of the tricks that I used for my photography back then, I wanted to share with you guys today. It's basically how to fake a light box when you don't have one, when you need just a crisp, clean picture that's like basically all white with just your item in the center, and you don't have the money for one of those light boxes. I use this to make a couple pictures that I've used in thumbnails. I have like a whole roll on my phone, like a whole album full of like roses and fake flowers and things that I used with this one session. And I use them again and again and again because it's super helpful just to have. And I wanted to share that with you guys today because it was super easy to do. Only takes a couple household items and a sunny day and a window, and that's basically it. And you can get basically semi-professional looking photos. I mean, enough to pass if you need them and you don't have the money for the equipment. So I wanted to share that trick with you guys today. I honestly didn't think about it before now. I wasn't like holding it secret, but I was talking to a friend about how I did it because I only just now am getting the budget to get the equipment that I need for the channel. And they told me that, you know, it was probably an interesting craft that others might be interested in seeing. So I thought I would make this video for you guys and share the tricks. And yeah, basically you don't need a whole lot. Some wax paper or parchment paper. I actually don't have any of that for this video. I did for the original, but I'm going to be using this, which is what I have. And it is just like a table mat protector thing from IKEA. I usually use it to protect my table from hot glue. But yeah, basically anything you have that is semi-translucent but still kind of has that milky color to it. Parchment paper works best, or wax paper, but something like this in a pinch. And some foil and some tape and your item that you want to photograph. That's everything you'll need, and we'll get right into it. So we're starting off with just pulling some foil out, and I'm going to be putting it on a cutting board because I need something that is shelf-like for my purse to rest on. And this is the purse that I am going to be photographing for you guys today. It's just a lovely little evening bag. Inside I've stuffed it with some tissue paper. That's just to keep it standing upright so it's not constantly falling down. But you can see it's got some intricate detail and it's just kind of pretty in general. And all of this is going over to the window where I've got my backing up, and then I just put the board down for my windows. They're a little bit higher, so it works better just to prop it on a chair. But like, do whatever gets your foil at the base of your window so that you don't have the windowsill casting shadows. And just kind of zoom in. I'm doing a screen recording so you guys can follow along, but you can see around the bag there's already muted light without any hard shadows just from the translucent backing itself. So it just kind of cuts the light and gives it all one homogeneous glow color. So that's the point of it. You can go ahead and take some test shots if you want to see like the before and after of what we're doing. So I'm gonna grab one there, and then I'm going to just put my finger on the object and hold down, get the lock on there, and then adjust the brightness of the photo. So just swipe up and you're going to see that it just completely flares out the white in the background. And it does make your bag look a little pastel, but just kind of adjust that back and forth until you get the desired brightness. Take a few different angles. And then when you've got what you need, just go ahead and go in and edit your photos. There are photo editing apps, but if you don't have those, you can do it on your phone. Just kind of adjust the brightness, the saturation, the shadows, the contrast. Just make it look exactly how you want your object to look. And there should be a fairly white box around it. There are a couple black marks in there from the windowsill still. Go ahead and crop those out, and you have a lovely glowing white box. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching.